Want to make money on YouTube without ever recording a single video or showing your face? It's called YouTube automation, and in this video I'll break down exactly how you can start a profitable YouTube automation channel in 2025. Stick around to learn how to build it step by step, and why 2025 is the perfect time to start. YouTube automation is all about managing a channel as a business. Instead of doing everything yourself, like scripting, voiceovers, and editing, you outsource these tasks to freelancers or use AI tools. Your role: plan, manage, and scale the channel. It's a business model that saves you time while still earning passive income. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Go for evergreen topics like tech, health, or finance that people always search for. Step 2. Plan your content. Use tools like TubeBuddy to find trending topics and keywords that guarantee views. Step 3. Build your team. Hire freelancers for scripting, voiceovers, and editing from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or save even more time by using AI tools for these tasks. Starting small is fine. Outsource only what you can't do yourself at first. Here's the exciting part. With a niche channel getting 100,000 monthly views, you can make $500 to $2,000 just from ad revenue. Add in sponsorships or affiliate links, and you could easily triple that amount. The best part? Once your videos are live, they can keep earning for months or even years. In 2025, AI tools have made YouTube automation faster and more affordable than ever. With software for editing, scripting, and even creating thumbnails, the barrier to entry has never been lower. This is the year to start and get ahead of the competition. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube automation journey today and turn your ideas into passive income. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with any questions. Let's make 2025 your year.